Right, this is just a short video to demonstrate the Douglas 350 twin engine that I've restored, fitted with a Continental cut down propeller and overhead fuel tank. As battery core ignition conversion, magnetos has been removed and for easier starting. So we'll just give it a quick go and see what happens. So we're going to pull through first, prime it, about 6 goes. Gear compression, and then we're going to turn on the ignition and see what happens. Gear. Here we have a Douglas 350 flat twin T35 engine. Engine was purchased at Bewley 10 years ago as a project. Now been fitted to a trailer with a cut down Continental propeller. Modified magneto to battery core ignition. Two Lucas coils fitted, oil pressure gauge, and 2 isolation switches for contact breakers and battery. Original carburettor fitted with speed control governor as standard. Modified exhausts. The starting handle can be used from the rear. Located and rotated to start the engine if you do not fancy propping it.